And round 23 is underway. The Red Alliance furiously flinging a flurry of fuel into their hub. Bot 9128 Sub-Zero scoring massive points for the Red Alliance, taking the early lead. This means that the Blue Alliance will have the initiative going into the Teleop first phase. There's a flag on the play. Penalty points will be awarded to the opposing team. Here with the blue hub illuminated, 3847. Gamma Ray beaming fuel into their hub. Closing the gap, almost catching their entire alliance up to the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance scoring points. It looks like 91-28. Sub-Zero was hung up on some fuel, and they are free now. And they are making up for lost time. Unfortunately, they fired just as the phase changes. Some of those might not count. The initiative returns to the blue hub, where 30-47, Gamma Ray scoring points for the Blue Alliance. And the Red Alliance wasting no time, scoring fuel the instant the phase changes. They're over 200 points to Blue's 138. And they are not stopping. Sending massive quantities of fuel into their hub. We are in the end game. Both hubs illuminate. And this is the final chance to score points. There are ranking points at stake, not only for the victory, but for the energizing thresholds. And we have another traversal from Artemis. That's the end of the round. Please stay. Final results. The Red Alliance wins round 23, 356 to 173. Both teams scoring a ranking point for the energized threshold, but it's the Red Alliance taking away the 3 ranking points for the victory.